Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Reza Fitria. You can call me Reza. Student ID number 18052117. My major is Social and Political Science, Civic Study Program. I'm a student at Padang State University. In this learning video, I will tell you about COVID-19 and my campus life. This video is a final semester assignment from an English course supervised by Miss Nora Fudla, SPD MPD. Okay, good watching guys. Last year was the beginning of the grief we are feeling today. It was in that year that a dangerous disease or virus named Corona appeared in the world. This virus tends to have more negative impact than its positive impact. He only gave once and the mind did endless sacrifices. When it was officially declared by the World Health Agency that this virus could spread rapidly and viciously through physical contact between humans and or humans and animals. Therefore, it directly affects the education progress in Indonesia. Everything has changed today why it was before. As I experienced it and attended face-to-face lecture on campus for only about 3 semesters, and in the middle of the fourth semester I had attended online lecture or study at home. This is because Padang State University has officially announced that its beloved campus must immediately prevent the spread of the very vicious COVID. Honestly, what I took at the beginning was that online lecture. I feel happy because if lectures are conducted online, I will return to my home and be able to gather with my beloved family and back home. Uh, at that moment, everything felt different. The lecture that were originally face-to-face in class turned into virtual and online. Uh, Lectures served the platform that had been provided so as e-learning, Zoom, Classroom, Edmodo, and so on. All of these features are provided to help smooth online lecture during this pandemic. What I feel while learning from home is the first understanding of the subject matter is very low. This means that the lecture material given by the lecture is only partially what I understand because it is concerned by explanation and virtual online lecture which are much different from face-to-face learning. Second, often lectures from this site are lost on the network where I live. It can be said that the network is quite bad. If the light go out and it rain, the internet network will be complete loss, which causes me not to be able to attend online lecture. This forced me to find another place to do online lectures. My learning motivation also decreases due to a feeling of laziness to refer the lecture material. This is driven by environment factor because studying at home is very different from face-to-face learning on campus. If we study at home, we will be busy with homework that is impossible to ignore. By learning online, it also makes me unable to focus on finding ideas that will later be used as title for working on my final thesis. Those are some of the consequences that I feel during this online study that requires me to be good at defining my time between studying and helping my mother with homework. I hope that if I hope that if the COVID-19 pandemic ends and the world is truly free, I hope that my campus life will return to normal as before. Learning face to face in class, meeting directly with lecturer and friends, so that learning is so fun and stable again. I also hope the health pandemic will soon be over, that all the obstacles and constraints. A view video from me about COVID-19 and my campus life helpful. From this video, I personally can introspect myself to be able to learn better in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you all. See you later. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.